Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Anwar. Today our topic is iron. What is iron and benefit of iron, use of iron and his proper working in our body. So let's we can write read. Iron is a chemical element. It has a symbol Fe from Latin word ferrum iron and atomic number is 26. It is a metal that belongs to the first transition series and group 8 of the periodic table. It is by mass the most common element on earth, forming much of the earth's outer and inner core. It is the fourth most common element in the earth crust, being mainly deposited by the meteorites. It is metallic state. Okay, extracting usable metal from iron ores require kilns or furnaces capable of reaching 1500 degrees Celsius or 2730 Fahrenheit, about 500 degrees Celsius, 932 Fahrenheit, higher than that required to smelt copper. Human started to master that process in Russia during the second millennium BC, and the use of iron tools and weapons began to displace copper alloy. In some religions, only around 1200 BC, that event is considered as the transition from the Bronze Age to the Iron Age. In the modern world, iron alloys such as steel, stainless steel, cast iron, and special steel are by far the most common industrial material. Due to their mechanical properties and low cost, the iron and steel industries is thus a very important economically, and iron is cheapest metal with a price of a few dollars per kilogram or pound. Pristine and smooth pure iron surfaces are mirror like silvery grey. Iron react readily with oxygen and water to produce brown to black hydrated iron oxide, commonly known as rust. Unlike the oxide of some other metal that form the passivating layer, rust occupy more volume than the metal and thus flags off, exposing more fresh surface from corrosion. Chemically, the most common oxidation state of the iron are iron 2 second and iron 3. Iron share many properties of other transition metal, including the other groups and 8 elements rhodium and osmium. Iron found compound in a wide range of oxidation state. -4 to +7, iron also form many coordination compounds. Some of them, such as the ferroxene, ferroxylate, and Persian blue, have exceptional structural, medical, or research applications. The body of an adult human contains about 4 gram, 0.005% body weight of iron, mostly in hemoglobin and myoglobin. These two proteins play essential role in oxygen transport by blood and oxygen storage in muscles. The maintaining the necessary level, human iron metabolism require a minimum of iron in the diet. Iron is also the material at active site of many important redox enzymes dealing with the cellular respiration and oxidation and reduction in plants and animals. The characteristics of iron is that at least 4 allotropes of iron, different atom arrangement in the solids, are now conventionally denoted by alpha, gamma, beta, and mega. The first form are observed at ordinary pressure as molten iron cools past its freezing point of 1538 degrees Celsius. It crystallizes into its omega allotropes, which has a body centered cube BCC crystal structure, as it cools further 1394 degrees Celsius. It's changed to its wire iron. Allotropes are face-centered cubic crystal structure are crystal autocrystalline at 912 degrees Celsius and below. The crystal structure again becomes the BCC alpha iron allotropes 10. Okay. The physical properties of iron at very high pressure and temperature have also been studied extensively. because of their relevance to the theories about the chaos of the Earth and other planets. About approximately 10 GPa and temperature of a few hundred Kelvin or less. Alpha iron change into another hexagonal close packed HCP structure, which is also known as omega iron. The higher temperature Y phase also changes into omega iron but does so at higher pressure. Some controversial experimental evidences for the stable beta phase at pressure above 50 GPa and temperature at least 500 Kelvin. It is supposed to have the orthorhombic or double HCP structure. Hope you will understand. In this lecture we will have discussed about the iron and iron ore type structures and its basic function and the important role in the chemistry. Hope you will understand. If you understand, then like our video and subscribe the channel Learn with Anwar. Okay friends, Allah Hafiz.